Hey, so now your quiz is making money. You get revenues, you get everything is perfect, but now you want to use Brandye at what 100% of the possibilities. What does it mean? Because with Brandye, you can also personalize your communication with Klaviyo and other CRM later. And we are now our app inside Klaviyo. So let's have a look on the screen. If you go on this part here on integration, as you can see, my connection with Klaviyo is already done. If you don't have your connection done automatically, you just have to click here on connect. It will ask you the notification mail with Klaviyo, and it will do it automatically. It's fully automated, so don't worry. If you have any question, just contact us. I will be happy to help you. When you go on Klaviyo, what will appear? Here on integration, you will see your Shopify connection and Brandye connection about quiz and survey. Here, you can go on list and segment, and you can create a segment with the people that respond to the quiz. So how it works, you can go and create segment dynamic. Name it, I will say Brandye tutorials. Select a tag product quiz. I will create a new one. It's up to you. And select condition. So here is the condition to activate the Brandye condition is what someone has done or not done. You can go here, go at the end, and you will find our application quiz completed. So now you can select some parameters at least once on the last 17 days, but you are maybe expert on Klaviyo, so you can choose your own parameters. You just have to validate everything, create the segment. So when Klaviyo has done the job, you will find your segment here about Brandye tutorial, that the name I've given to this segment. And here, as you can see, I found some information about Natasha that make a product recommendation yesterday. So if I go on this, I can have all the information about Natasha, and you have all the information about this. So you can find information about what kind of quiz all the product recommended. So if I go here, for example, I can see like it was the bracelet cordon solitaire. If I go here, you can see that it was the bag order on that time, and you can use all these variables on your template in Klaviyo to make an automatic email after submission to say, oh, hey Natasha, here's your recommendation. Hope you are going well. Discount for the quiz extra. It's up to you. So here, your quiz is connected to your Klaviyo. Just enjoy, make good communication because it's important. Quiz, it's a real experience. You can reuse the data to make them come back. Push them new product also because you have also plenty of information, maybe a man, a woman, or if it's someone looking for a gift, you can segment them very narrow and make good communication thanks to the quiz and the data you collect. Hope you have enjoyed. As usual, if you have any question, please contact me. I will be very happy to assist you. Ciao.